Magandang hapon po ng November 28, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng November 28, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, November 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5pm draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 28, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, November 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for November 28, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.